guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to get straight into it because my face is drying. I'm going to start the Uhuru Naturals Qasil Powder. Now if you saw my video last week, I talked about this brand last week, but I wanted to do the skincare video separate, so I thought I'd do it today. This is a multi-purpose product. It's a natural cleanser, face mask, natural shampoo, gentle powder, exfoliant, and more. It says for all skin and hair types. It comes in this packaging. Okay, so it says this is a multi-purpose cleanser for all skin and hair types. Qasil is an ancient Somali beauty secret. It is an all-natural facial cleanser that can also be used as a face mask. Qasil is an excellent exfoliator of the skin, removing dead skin cells, resulting in well-hydrated and beautiful skin without causing dryness. Qasil also nourishes the scalp and is reputed to combat dandruff. Now, I'm going to personally use it as a face mask. For the face mask, it says mix 1 teaspoon of Qasil powder with 3 to 4 teaspoons of water until paste. Apply on clean skin and gently massage. Leave it on face for about 15 minutes. My face is about to dry. I already washed my face in the shower. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this and show you guys what the Qasil powder looks like. And right now my face is in need of a mask. I haven't done a mask in a minute, to be honest. I have like this pimple here. I have a mini one there. And yeah, so my skin has been so-so. So like I said before, it reminds me of, like, you know, if you ever tried bentonite clay, any of those type of clays. It does come in this small packaging right here, like so. So I'm going to go ahead and put the mixture in my bowl here, mix the water, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply it for you guys. So this is the final results. I'll leave like when I was mixing it, but like I said, just like any type of bentonite clay. Now I know it's not a lot, but I didn't want to put too much. If I need extra, then I'll go ahead and place it. But what I will say is this smells like herbal tea, like mint tea. That's the first thing that came to my mind, and it smells really good though, so that's a bonus for me. Now I don't even have my mirror or anything to see what my face is looking like, that's a problem. I forgot to take my mirror, so we're gonna just hope I applied it. I'm gonna have to come off camera to see if I applied it properly. Normally though, I'm good at doing this without a camera, so we shall see. But yeah, definitely is messy, just like bentonite clay. So if you've tried any bentonite clay or anything, it's like the same situation. It's pretty messy. I'm going to step off camera real quick to see if I got on my face because I can't see nothing. So I already finished applying it, and there's still like a good chunk, like literally a little bit goes a long way. I was thinking like this is not enough, but literally a little bit goes a long way. I still have some left over, and I covered my whole face. So I'm going to go ahead and put the 15-minute timer, but let me just show you guys what my face looks looking like. Like I said, it really smells like peppermint tea, if you ever had that, or mint tea in general. Okay, so yeah, this is what my face is looking like with this Qasil powder. Let me know if you guys want me to try it as a cleanser next, because I don't necessarily want to try it as a shampoo. Because I mean, I could also try it as a shampoo if you guys want to, but if you guys saw my another video, I do have this bentonite clay. I think it's bentonite and something else that's also similar to this, also for the hair. So I have a product like that. But yeah, I think I'm really probably just going to stick to using this as a facial mask. Let me put the 15 minutes on. I'm actually going to put 14 since I feel like I've been standing here for a good minute. Alexa, put a 14-minute timer.
14 minutes, starting now.
Okay, so timer is good to go. I'm not going to talk all this time. I'm just going to go just chill out for the 14 minutes and do something productive. And I'm actually going to see if any of my family members washed their face yet, because I'll let them go try this out, because this is good enough. They could put this on their face too instead of wasting this, or if not, then I'll just throw it out. But yeah, alright guys, so 15 minutes is up. The timer just rang. It definitely tightened a little bit. I don't know if you guys can notice or not, but it definitely dried out. So if you ever try to mask, like I said, when I try bentonite clay and stuff like that, it starts tightening up a little bit. So that's what happened with this. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out and then say my final thoughts. So as I'm letting my face dry a little bit before I apply my moisturizer, but I'm about to apply it so that my face doesn't dry out. So my final thoughts: it did take me like about a minute and a half to fully wash this off, because it was like it didn't want to come off. It was pretty much, it hardened a lot, but it took a while, so I had to like rub it. I didn't want to scratch my face, so it did take me a while to keep on rubbing some areas for it to fully rinse off my face. Something that I noticed that's not on here is the ingredients, so I'll definitely go on the website. I'll leave the link as well, but I'll go on the website and probably paste it somewhere on the side so you guys can see the ingredients, because I actually want to know myself, because I definitely smell like there's some type of minty thing going on. And also when I washed my face, you can also see like there was other, like it was like herbal ingredients that was within the mask as I washed my face. So I'd be interested in also knowing what else was mixed up into this Qasil powder. So I'll leave it down below, either in the description or somewhere on the sides. But yeah, so that's my thoughts. I would personally use this like once a week, just because like I have another powder similar to this already, and I always say the lazy in me, I want to do something quick. This, you know, it doesn't take forever, but you do have to put it in your bowl, mix it up with water, and then apply. So it's not as other masks that I've tried where, you know, you just put it in your face and you're good to go. You let it dry, you wash it. It's a little extra step. So it's definitely something I would do like during the weekend, if anything, that I want to do. But it's not like I could do it during the week too, but I personally would like to do it during the weekend, because I know I have more time, I would say, and I'm not in a rush to like go to sleep or something like that, as I would probably be during the weekday. But anyway, if you guys are interested, once again, I'll leave the link down below and any other important information that is needed. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, you comment down below, you hit the subscribe button, because so that you guys see more content of mine, as well as hit the notification button, subscribe button, because that is what notifies you every time I post a new video. And I will see you guys in the next one.